Hello everyone, कैसे हैं आप सभी? Welcome to the channel. So today we are going to start our next session in the series of topic wise current affair MCQs. Now, इस वीडियो के पहले we have already completed the national as well as the international affairs. Today we are going to start with the theme 4, that is the sports one. Now, some of the important themes are there जैसे sports, science and tech economy. इसको हम पहले complete कर लेंगे, उसके बाद हम अपॉइंटमेंट्स वगैरह जितने भी बाकी बची हुई थीम्स हैं वो हम क्रोनोलॉजी में पूरी करेंगे. सो टुडे लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ आवर स्पोर्ट्स थीम. नाउ टुडे स्पोर्ट्स सेशन को हम कवर करने वाले हैं इन 7 सब टॉपिक्स. नाउ ईच सब टॉपिक का टाइम स्टैम्प आपको ऑलरेडी मिल जाएगा. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू कवर फर्स्टली द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ क्रिकेट एंड इसके बाद द मल्टी स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे. देन फुटबॉल के रिगार्डिंग जितने भी न्यूज़ है. देन टेनिस विल कवर, बैडमिंटन कवर करेंगे, चेस कवर करेंगे एंड एट द लास्ट हम एथलेटिक्स कवर करेंगे. सो बहुत एक क्रोनोलॉजिकल वे से वी आर गोइंग टू कवर दिस स्पोर्ट्स वाला थीम. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ who was named the ICC Men's Test Cricketer of the Year 2024? He was जसप्रीत बुमराह. नाउ टेस्ट क्रिकेट की बात यहाँ पे हो रही है तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि जो फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच था इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड was played in the year 1877 between ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड इंग्लैंड. ओके, नाउ अगर मैं बात करूँ वर्ल्ड कप की तो पहला वर्ल्ड कप कब खेला गया था? सो इट वॉज प्लेड इन द ईयर 1975 एंड इन विच कंट्री? सो इंग्लैंड में इट वॉज प्लेड. आई होप द थिंग्स आर क्लियर. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. विच टीम वॉन द ICC अंडर 19 वुमेन्स T20 वर्ल्ड कप ऑफ 2025? सो इट वॉज इंडिया हु हैज वॉन दिस. नाउ अगर मैं बात करूं यहाँ पे एक इंपॉर्टेंट थीम की, दैट इज द वर्ल्ड कप वुमेन्स 2025. Okay, now this was won by India and finals was played between India and South Africa जिसमें India defeated South Africa. and ये जो कंडक्ट हुआ था वर्ल्ड कप, ये कंडक्ट हुआ था इंडिया एंड श्रीलंका में. ओके, अंडर 19 वुमेन T20 वर्ल्ड कप भी इंडिया ने ही यहाँ पे जीता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Who was elected unopposed as the 37th president of the BCCI? This is Mithun Manhas. ओके, इम्पॉर्टेंट है. नाउ एक और फैक्ट यहाँ पे इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि मिथुन मानस हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट पर्सन फ्रॉम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर टू लीड दिस बोर्ड. टॉकिंग अबाउट जय शाह इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ एंड द चेयरमैन ऑफ द ICC राइट नाउ. ओके, टॉकिंग अबाउट रॉजर बिनी, अर्लियर ही वॉज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ BCCI, अभी नहीं. ठीक है, अभी मिथुन मानस हैज़ बिन सेलेक्टेड. Next is which team won their maiden IPL title in 2025 after the 18 years wait? This is the RCB. आपको मुझे बताना है फर्स्ट IPL when was it played. ठीक है, now the RCB defeated the Punjab Kings in the Narendra Modi Stadium, Gujarat. Next है which cricketer became the first Indian pacer to play 50 matches across all the 3 formats? So this is Jasprit Bumrah. This is very much important this year. ठीक है, बहुत सारे awards he has won, so this becomes important. Next is who was named the ICC Men's T20 Cricketer of the Year 2024? So this was Arshdeep Singh. Okay, now talking about the Men's T20 World Cup of 2026. It will be played in India. ठीक है, India is hosting this. So it is very much important. इंडिया के साथ साथ श्रीलंका ने भी होस्ट किया because the matches between India and Pakistan and the matches of Pakistan will be played in Sri Lanka. Next is which team won the Border Gavaskar Trophy in January 2025? So Australia has won this. ठीक है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने बॉर्डर गावस्कर ट्रॉफी को जीता है. नाउ यहाँ पे एक ट्रॉफी रिसेंटली वॉज रीनेम्ड. ओके, दैट वॉज द पतौदी ट्रॉफी. पतौदी ट्रॉफी जो 2 कंट्रीज दैट इज इंडिया एंड इंग्लैंड के बीच में मैचेस होते थे. सो ये पतौदी ट्रॉफी का नाम यहाँ पे चेंज करके तेंदुलकर एंडरसन ट्रॉफी रख दिया गया है. ये भी एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, पूछ सकते हैं आपसे, तो इसको भी आप ध्यान में रखना. नेक्स्ट इज who became the first Indian male cricketer to sign a Big Bash League deal? So this is Ravichandran Ashwin. After announcing his retirement from the international form of cricket from India, he is joining the Big Bash League. नाउ बिग बैश लीग में भी सिडनी थंडर्स टीम के अंदर ही हैज ज्वाइन. नेक्स्ट इज हु होल्ड्स द रिकॉर्ड फॉर मोस्ट 50 प्लस स्कोर इन IPL हिस्ट्री एज ऑफ April 2025. दिस इज विराट कोहली. Next is which team won the 2025 Women's Premier League title? It was Mumbai Indians. 2024 Women's Premier League का title who has won? So वो जीता था RCB ने. Next is who was named the ambassador for the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? So this was शिखर धवन. ठीक है, ICC चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी के अम्बेसडर बने थे यहाँ पे शिखर धवन. एंड शिखर धवन से रिलेटेड यहाँ पे एक फैक्ट है दैट ही हैज़ लॉन्च्ड हिज बायोग्राफी दैट इज़ नोन एज वन. वन के आगे भी इसका कुछ टाइटल है, या आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं, बट ये फैक्ट आप ध्यान में रखेंगे. अगर मैं बात करूँ अम्बेसडर की ऑफ द 2026 T20 वर्ल्ड कप दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी हेल्ड इन इंडिया, सो इनके अम्बेसडर यहाँ पे रोहित शर्मा को बनाया गया है. I hope you are understanding to what I'm trying to explain. Okay. Next देखते हैं. Which team won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2024-25? This is कर्नाटका. नाउ एक बहुत करेंट अफेयर्स आपको बता रहा हूँ, इंपॉर्टेंट है स्पेशली फॉर दोज हु आर preparing for the exams in the eastern part of the country and the northern part as well, that who has won the SM80 2025, that is Sayyid Mushtaq Ali Trophy of 2025. So recently Jharkhand has won its first title. झारखंड ने अपना पहला टाइटल जीता है. ओके, सो दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो ये आप ध्यान में रखना. आने वाली वीडियोस में मैं अपडेट कर दूंगा इसको जब मैं लेटेस्ट सीरीज लेके आऊँगा, बट यहाँ पे जो भी एक्स्ट्रा हो रहा है वो सारा कुछ आई विल ट्राई टू include in this video in the explanation only. Next is who has become the fastest player to reach 13,000 runs in Test cricket. This is Joe Root of England. Next है who was named the ICC Women's One Day Cricketer of the Year 2024. This is Smriti Mandhana. Next है which player scored the fastest century by an Indian woman in one days. This is again Smriti Mandhana. Now an important point about IPL is that who is the youngest batsman to score 100 in the IPL. So he is Vaibhav Suryavanshi from the Rajasthan Royals team. Next which team won the 9th Asia Cup men's title in September 2025. So India won this title after defeating Pakistan. Next who became the first Indian bowler to take 100 T20I wickets. This is Arshdeep Singh. This is important. आप वहाँ पे मार्क करके आओगे जसप्रीत बुमराह, बट ध्यान रखना अर्शदीप सिंह हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट इंडियन बॉलर टू टेक 100 T20I विकेट्स. नेक्स्ट इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो एग्जाम में आ सकता है, दैट इज हु वाज अवॉर्डेड अ नाइटहुड फॉर द सर्विसेज टू क्रिकेट इन April 2025. दिस इज जेम्स एंडरसन. ओके. नेक्स्ट है which company became the lead front of jersey sponsor for Team India in September 2025? So earlier it was Byju's, अब है हमारा Apollo Tyres. Byju's भी था एक टाइम पे, फिर Dream 11 था. So after this online gaming was banned, Dream 11 ceased to exist as a jersey sponsor, and after the Dream 11, Apollo Tyres became the sponsors. Next is which team won the Ranji Trophy 24-25? This is Vidarbha. Now let us start with the multi-sports event जिसमें कि Olympics, National Games and Khelo India events include हैं. So let us start the questions regarding the multi-sports event. Now, where was the 38th National Game held? So it was held in Uttarakhand. And what was the mascot? Mascot के बारे में भी पता होना चाहिए. Mascot was Molly. Okay. अगर मैं यही बात करूं 39th नेशनल गेम्स की, सो इट विल बी हेल्ड इन मेघालय. ओके, इट विल बी हेल्ड इन मेघालय. सो ये भी आपको ध्यान में रखना है. नेक्स्ट इज विच स्टेट विल होल्ड 39th नेशनल गेम्स. दिस इज मेघालय. अगेन दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट इज विच स्टेट टॉप द मेडल टैली एट द खेलो इंडिया विंटर गेम्स 2025 हेल्ड इन लद्दाख. तो यहाँ पे 2 पॉइंट्स आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. सबसे पहला तो खेलो इंडिया विंटर गेम्स कहाँ पे हेल्ड हुई थी, सो लद्दाख में. एंड विच स्टेट ऑफ द मेडल टैली, लद्दाख हैज emerged as the top performer. Next is which city has been recommended by the Indian Olympic Association to host the 2030 Commonwealth Games. So Ahmedabad. This is a very very important question. एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन यहाँ से आ सकते हैं आपको. Next is which state hosted the 7th Khelo India Youth Games in May 2025. Again, this is very, very important, and specifically for those who are preparing for the AEDO examination or the Bihar CGL examination, this questions become important. Now, the mascot of this is also very important. So, what was the mascot of the 7th Khelo India Youth Games? It was Gajsima. It was Gajsima. Next is, who was elected as the president of the International Olympics Committee in 2025? This is Christy Coventry. Now, she belongs to Zimbabwe. Now, Olympics के बारे में आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि सबसे पहला, the first Olympic Games, this was held in Greece. ओके, किन के लिए? टू ऑनर, ठीक है, ऑनर किया गया था जियस को. Zeus is also considered as a god in the Greek mythology. So to honor Zeus, this Olympic Games were held. Okay. Now यहाँ पे वुमेन्स पार्टिसिपेशन की बहुत बात होती है, तो आपको यहाँ पे ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि the first time when women's participated in the Olympics game was in 1900. Okay. नाउ ओलंपिक्स के बारे में आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि आपने देखा होगा देयर इज ए ओलंपिक फ्लेम दैट इज एसोसिएटेड विथ ओलंपिक्स. तो फर्स्ट टाइम ये ओलंपिक फ्लेम कब इंस्टिगेट की गई थी? तो 1928 में इन एम्स्टरडेम. ओके, पहली बार ये ओलंपिक फ्लेम यहाँ पे इट केम टू लाइट. नाउ व्हाट इज द मोटो ऑफ ओलंपिक्स? मोटो क्या है ओलंपिक्स का? तो मोटो है इसका CTS, LTS एंड 4TS. CTS का मतलब है फास्टर, LTS का मतलब है हायर, एंड 4TS का मतलब है स्ट्रोंगर. क्लियर है? इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स है, ये सारे पता होने चाहिए आपको. ओके, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. ये भी क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, सो इसको भी आप ध्यान से देख लेना. What is the mascot of the Khelo India Youth Games held in Bihar? So this is Gajsima. Gajsima combines the strength of an elephant and the courage of a lion. Now, which country was selected to host the inaugural Olympic Sea Sports Games in 2027? This is again a very important question. So this is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia में भी रियाद में this is going to take place. नेक्स्ट है हमारा, विच स्टेट होस्टेड द खेलो इंडिया यूनिवर्सिटी गेम्स ऑफ 2025? राजस्थान ने यहाँ पे होस्ट किया था. इन द मल्टीपल सिटीज ऑफ राजस्थान में खेलो इंडिया यूनिवर्सिटी गेम्स ऑफ 2025 वेयर हेल्ड. नाउ विच स्पोर्ट्स विल मेक इट्स रिटर्न टू द ओलंपिक्स इन लॉस एंजलिस 2028? सो ये क्रिकेट है. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द फॉर्मेट? सो 2028 लॉस एंजलिस ओलंपिक्स में 6 टीम्स होंगी, ईच फॉर मेन एंड वुमेन. Next is, where was the first ever International Olympic Research Conference hosted in India? This is a very, very important question. Okay, the first International Olympic Research Conference, it was hosted in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Okay, now यहाँ पे अभी वैसे मल्टी स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट चल रहे हैं, अभी हम वो कवर कर रहे हैं, बट यहाँ पे मैं आपको फिडे के बारे में बता दूं. दिस इज रिलेटेड टू चेस. तो फिडे की जो चैंपियनशिप है रिसेंटली वो गोवा में हेल्ड हुई है. सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड ऑल्सो ये जो फीडे की ट्रॉफी है ना, फाइनल्स की ट्रॉफी, इसको रीनेम किया गया है विश्वनाथन आनंद ट्रॉफी के नाम पे. ओके, ये भी पता होना चाहिए आपको. नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाट इज द मैस्कॉट ऑफ द फर्स्ट खेलो इंडिया वाटर स्पोर्ट्स फेस्टिवल इन श्रीनगर? दिस इज अगेन अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. सो दिस इज हिमालयन किंगफिशर. ठीक है, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. इन सारे क्वेश्चंस को बहुत ध्यान से करना आप. Next is again a very very important question. The Union Cabinet approved a new sports policy in July 2025, which is known as the Khelo Bharat Niti. Okay, National Sports Policy 2025 भी इसको कहते हैं, but the other name is Khelo Bharat Niti. Next is again very very important, and ये अभी रिसेंटली जो पेपर्स कंडक्ट हुए हैं इसमें ये क्वेश्चंस पूछे भी गए हैं. That who won the BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year 2025? This is Manu Bhakar. And for what she has been given this Sportswoman of the Year? On account of his performance in the Olympics 2024. Okay, Olympics 2024 में परफॉर्मेंस के लिए। अब ये 24 के ओलंपिक्स कहाँ हेल्ड हुए थे? पेरिस में हेल्ड हुए थे। एंड व्हाट वाज द मैस्कॉट? मैस्कॉट वाज द फ्रीजियन कैप। ओके, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। Which region will host the Khelo India Northeast Games annually? So this is rotating across all the 8 Northeast states. जितने भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्टेट्स हैं उनमें ये हर साल रोटेट किया जाएगा एंड हर स्टेट यहाँ पे इवेंट को कंडक्ट करेगा आफ्टर अ ईयर। ठीक है, यूनियन स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर इज मनसुख मांडविया, ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, ध्यान में रखना आप। नेक्स्ट इज हु कन्फर्ड द ऑनररी रैंक ऑफ लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल in Indian Territorial Army in September 2025? This is Neeraj Chopra. नीरज चोपड़ा पता होगा आपको, javelin thrower he is. And Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, the names need no introduction. PR Shrijesh was the former goalkeeper of the hockey team. And presently जो अंडर 19 टीम है ना इंडिया की, इंडियन हॉकी की जो अंडर 19 टीम है, he is also the head coach in that, PR Shrijesh. Next is how many gold medals did Indian Army win to retain the ice hockey title at the Khelo India Winter Games of 2025? So the team won the final match. Indian Army ने ITBP को 2-1 से यहाँ पे डिफीट किया था. Which state was the runner-up in the 78th Santosh Trophy? So this was Kerala. Okay. Now Kerala runner-up थी and West Bengal has won the Santosh Trophy. Next is where was the World Para Athletics Championship held in 2025? So it was held in New Delhi. Okay. World Para Athletic Championship 12th edition. The event began in New Delhi. And Viraj was the mascot of this Para Games. What is the name of the mascot for the World Para Athletics Championship? This was Viraj. Next is, अब आए हमारे क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द फुटबॉल. सो अब देखते हैं फुटबॉल के रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस. सो हु बिकेम द फर्स्ट फुटबॉलर टू स्कोर 800 गोल्स इन द क्लब फुटबॉल? सो दिस इज क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो. ओके, यहाँ पे क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो के बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए. ही प्लेज फ्रॉम द पोर्तुगल टीम एंड लियोनेल मेसी फ्रॉम द अर्जेंटीना टीम. नाउ विच क्लब ही हैज़ ज्वाइन? सो दिस इज एन अल नासिर क्लब. ये हमारे सऊदी अरेबिया का क्लब है. सो ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट है हमारा, विच क्लब वॉज नेम्ड द वर्ल्ड्स मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल फुटबॉल क्लब in 2025 by Forbes? So this is the Real Madrid. Next is, which country won the FIFA Under 20 World Cup 2025? So ये मोरक्को, यहाँ पे Morocco has won it. Morocco has defeated Argentina 2-0, marking its first ever FIFA tournament title. Next is, what are the names of the mascot of the 2026 FIFA World Cup? Now सबसे पहले तो ये पता होना चाहिए आपको कि FIFA World Cup कहाँ पे कंडक्ट होने वाले हैं. So this is going to be conducted in USA, Mexico and Canada. Clear है? And the names of the mascot are Maple, Zayu and Clutch. Maple Canada का, Zayu of Mexico and Clutch of USA. Which club won the UEFA Women's Champions League 2025? So this was won by Arsenal. Arsenal women defeated the champions Barcelona to win the UEFA Women's Championship title 2025. Next, who was appointed as the head coach of the Indian senior men's football team in August 2025? Very, very important. Correct answer is Khalid Jamil. And he is also the first Indian coach in 13 years. Next is, which country qualified for the FIFA World Cup for the first time? So this is Cape Verde. Important question हो सकता है ये. So आप ध्यान में रखेंगे इसको भी. Next is, who holds the record for most assists in the international men's football history as of 2025? This is Lionel Messi. Next, which team won the 78th Santosh Trophy? So this was West Bengal, and West Bengal defeated Kerala to win this title. Next, India launched its first FIFA Talent Academy for girls in which city? So Hyderabad में it was inaugurated. Next is, which team won the Spanish Super Cup in January 2025? So this was FC Barcelona. Next, which India won its 7th SAF under 17 title by defeating which country? So India ने defeat किया था बांग्लादेश को to clinch this record. Next is, when is the World Football Day celebrated according to the UN declaration? So this question becomes important. Correct answer है हमारा May 25th. Okay. Now, United Nations General Assembly designated May 25 as the World Football Day to mark the centenary of the 1924 Olympic football tournament. Now, which player topped the list with the highest paid athlete in 2025 with a $285 million in earnings? So this is Cristiano Ronaldo. He is the highest paid athlete. Next is, which club stadium hosted the first FIFA Club World Cup 2025 finals? So this is the MetLife Stadium. MetLife Stadium is situated in USA. So इस क्वेश्चन को भी आपको ध्यान में रखना है, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए. Who was named the global ambassador for the esports World Cup 2025? So this is Cristiano Ronaldo. Next is, which country hosted the 2025 FIFA Under 20 World Cup? So Chile. Okay, Chile hosted this tournament, and also Morocco has won the title, and this was held in Santiago, Chile. Who scored the winning goals for Arsenal in the Women's Championship League Final 2025? So this was Stina Blackstenius. Next is, which country was the opponent India defeated to win the SAF Under 17 Championship? This was Bangladesh. Now, the FIFA World Cup 2025 featured how many teams? Important hai, 32 teams were featured. Now, let us do the questions regarding the tennis and badminton वाला portion. So, let us start. Now, tennis की बात करते हैं. तो who won the men's single title at the Australian Open 2025? This was Jannik Sinner. Also, ये बात आप ध्यान रखना कि Jannik Sinner also won the Wimbledon 2025. On the other hand, if I talk about the Carlos Alcaraz, he won the French Open title of 2025. क्लियर है. नाउ अगर मैं यहाँ पे बात करूँ टेनिस की, तो अभी मैंने बताया जैनिक सिनर हैज वॉन द विंबलडन. सो विंबलडन स्टार्ट कब हुआ था? तो फर्स्ट विंबलडन चैंपियनशिप इट वाज स्टार्टेड इन द ईयर 1877. एंड यहाँ पे टेनिस में ग्रैंड स्लैम्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो कितने ग्रैंड स्लैम्स होते हैं ये मैं आपको बताता हूँ अभी. नाउ द फर्स्ट वन इज विंबलडन. नाउ दिस विंबलडन इज प्लेड इन यूके. नेक्स्ट इज द यूएस ओपन. सो एज द नेम सजेस्ट, यूएस ओपन हमारा यूएस में खेला जाता है. देन देयर इज फ्रेंच ओपन जो फ्रांस में खेला जाता है. एंड देन देयर इज ऑस्ट्रेलियन ओपन, ठीक है, जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में खेला जाता है. सो दीज 4 कॉन्स्टिट्यूट्स द ग्रैंड स्लैम एंड और दी 4 मेजर टूर्नामेंट्स. क्वेश्चन हमने देख ही लिया. जैनिक सिनर इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज, who won the women's single title at the Australian Open 2025? So this is Madison Keys. Okay. Next, who won the men's single title at the US Open 2025? So this is not Carlos Alcaraz. So yes, US Open है ना? हाँ correct है. US Open has been won by Carlos Alcaraz. And Carlos Alcaraz beat Jannik Sinner to win his second US Open title. Now, who defended her US Open women's singles title in 2025? This is Aryna Sabalenka. Next is, who won the men's single title at the India Open 2025 badminton tournament? So this is Victor Axelsen. This is very very important. Now, बैडमिंटन के बारे में अगर मैं बात करूं तो बैडमिंटन के जो टूर्नामेंट है ना, दिस इज कंडक्टेड बाय द इंटरनेशनल बैडमिंटन फेडरेशन. सबसे पहले तो ये पता होना चाहिए आपको. ना अगर मैं बात करूँ ये इंटरनेशनल बैडमिंटन फेडरेशन की, तो 1934 में इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड. एंड बैडमिंटन ऐड कब हुआ था ओलंपिक्स में एज अ स्पोर्ट? तो 1992 में ऐड हुआ था. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स दैट यू नीड टू नो. कभी कभी वो स्टैटिक से भी क्वेश्चन पूछ लेते हैं, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम गिविंग यू अ बिट स्टैटिक इनसाइट एज वेल, सो दैट आप वहाँ पे ये मत, मतलब आपको थोड़ा सा भी अगर आइडिया होगा ना तो आप क्वेश्चन बना लोगे। नेक्स्ट इज हु वॉन द वुमेन सिंगल टाइटल एट द इंडिया ओपन 2025 बैडमिंटन टूर्नामेंट? सो दिस वाज वॉन बाय आन से यंग एंड शी इज अ बैडमिंटन प्लेयर ऑफ साउथ कोरिया। नेक्स्ट है हमारा, विच टेनिस लेजेंड वॉज ऑनर्ड विद द प्रिंसेस ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलियास अवार्ड फॉर स्पोर्ट्स 2025? दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आने वाला है। अभी वो किसी भी जिस भी एग्जाम में आई डोंट नो, बट दिस क्वेश्चन इज गोइंग टू बी गेट आस्क्ड, very important this is. So this is Serena Williams. Okay, for what she has been given this award? So she has been given the award for the sporting legacy and societal contributions. Next है, yes, what was the total prize money pool for Wimbledon 2025? So it was 53.5 million. Next is, India's defeated which country to secure a place in the 2026 Davis Cup qualifiers? So India defeated Switzerland. Okay. Next is, who became the brand ambassador for Puma India, with the brand changing its name to PVMA for campaign? So PV Sindhu has joined, as the name suggests, PV for PV Sindhu. So PV Sindhu recently became the brand ambassador. ये क्वेश्चन टेनिस में इसीलिए है, सॉरी ये क्वेश्चन बैडमिंटन में इसीलिए है क्योंकि शी इज अ बैडमिंटन प्लेयर. Next is, which Indian player clinched the tie for India in the Davis Cup match against Switzerland? So this is Sumit Nagal. So ये क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं आपसे, सुमित नागल is related to which sport? So he belongs to this Davis Cup. Next, who was the runner-up in the women's singles at the US Open of 2025? So this is Amanda Anisimova. Aryna Sabalenka, पता फिर आपको चली गया होगा, has won this US Open. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, who won the runner-up in the men's single at the Australian Open 2025? So this is Alexander Zverev, and Jannik Sinner has won this. We have already seen this. Next is, the Indian Open 2025 badminton tournament was held in which city? It was held in New Delhi. Next is, who won the women's single title at the British Junior Open Squash 2025? So this is Anahat Singh. ठीक है. Next is, who did Anahat Singh defeat in the final of the British Junior Open? So she defeated Malika Al Karaski, and she belongs to Egypt. How much did the Wimbledon 2025 singles champion earn? तो singles champions को 3 million दिया गया था, both men's and women's को, मतलब men's को 3 million, women's को भी 3 million. Which Indian tennis player won a single rubber in his debut at the Davis Cup tie against Switzerland? This was Dakshineshwar Suresh. Next is, the Princess of Asturias Award ceremony for Serena Williams will be held in which country? So yes, Spain में it is going to be held. So this place is also important. Next is, which pair won the mixed team silver for India at the World Archery Championship? So this has been won by Rishabh Yadav and Jyoti Surekha Venom. Now जितने भी questions हैं, these questions are related to chess. So let us start the chess questions. कुछ questions और हैं, total 150 questions हैं in this series. So let us start. Now chess की अगर मैं बात करूँ ना, तो chess का origin कहाँ पे है? So the country of origin is India only. सबसे important तो ये आपके लिए जानना है. Now next is, who is the first official world chess champion? So this is Wilhelm Steinitz. Okay. Now, who became India's 87th chess grandmaster? This is Hari Krishnan A. Next is, who became the first Indian woman to win the FIDE Women World Chess World Cup 2025? This is a very very important question. This is Divya Deshmukh, and Divya Deshmukh ने किनको हराया था? Koneru Humpy. She also plays chess. So Divya Deshmukh has won this. By winning the FIDE Women's World Cup, Divya Deshmukh became India's dash grandmaster. So she became India's 88th grandmaster. Where will the FIDE World Cup 2025 be held? It will be held in Goa, Panji, Panjim mein. Now, who shared the World Blitz Chess Championship 2024 title? So this was shared by Magnus Carlsen and Jan Nepomniachtchi. Okay. Next is who won the 2025 Asia Snooker Championship men's title. This is Pankaj Advani. Next, who won the Norway Chess 2025 title? So it was won by Magnus Carlsen. And Magnus Carlsen defeated Gukesh D. Next is who won the 9th Johor International Open Chess Tournament title in Malaysia. So this is Innian Paneerselvam. Next is who became the first Bihar's first woman FIDE masters. This is a very important question. So Mariam Fatima is the correct answer. And especially for those who are preparing for the AED examination, this question becomes important. Now, who won the open event at the 2025 FIDE Grand Swiss? So this has been won by Anish Giri. Who won the women's event at the 2025 FIDE Grand Swiss? This is Vaishali R. Ramesh Babu. She is the sister of Pragnananda. Okay. Who did Divya Deshmukh defeat in the final of the FIDE Women's World Cup? So this is Koneru Hampi. The FIDE World Cup 2025 in Goa offers a prize pool of $2 million US dollars. Which Indian chess player defeated Magnus Carlsen in a classic game at the Norway Chess 2025? This is important. So D Gukesh, because Magnus Carlsen is one of the highest rated, and he is in fact the highest rated chess player of all time. So this name is very much important. How many Asian title have Pankaj Advani won after the 2025 victory? So in totality, he has won the 14 titles. Next is the FIDE 2025 World Cup will serve as a qualifier for which tournament? For the 2026 candidates tournament. Now this question I've added because a 2026 candidates tournament, this is related to chess only. So that is why this becomes important. Next, who was the runner-up at the Norway Chess? This is Fabiano Caruana. And who won it? Magnus Carlsen. ये क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है ना, इसको ध्यान में रखना आप लोग. Now the FIDE World Cup 2025 in Goa will feature how many players? So in totality 206 players. Who is the current World Chess Championship mentioned in the context of the FIDE World Cup 2025 lineup? So D Gukesh is the champion. Where was the FIDE Grand Swiss 2025 held? It was held in Samarkand. Now we will deal with the questions related to athletics, F1, hockey, boxing, etc. जितने भी questions हैं अब हम इनसे deal करेंगे. Now सबसे पहले अगर मैं बात करूं तो 1912 में वर्ल्ड एथलेटिक्स की बात करूं, सो दिस वाज फाउंडेड इन द ईयर 1912. तो ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है, रख सकते हैं आप, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं क्वेश्चंस. लेट अस सी who won the 2025 Saudi Arabian Grand Prix. So Oscar Piastri is the correct answer. Now this Saudi Arabian Grand Prix was held in Jeddah. Next is who won the 2025 Dutch Grand Prix. So it was won by again Oscar Piastri. Next is Neeraj Chopra finished second at the Doha Diamond League 2025. Who won the event? So the Pakistan thrower, not Pakistan thrower, but Julian Weber of Germany won this event. What was Neeraj Chopra best throw at the Doha Diamond League of 2025? So it was 90.23 meter. And this question is important because this is for the first time that Neeraj Chopra hit this 90.23 meters ka mark. Next is who won the gold medal in the men's 70 kg at the World Boxing Cup in Brazil. So this is Hitesh Gulia. India won the Men's Asia Cup Hockey 2025 by defeating which team? South Korea. Next is which team won the Women's Hockey Asia Cup 2025 title? So China has won it. China has defeated India to win this title. Next is who became the world champion in the women's 57 kg at the 2025 World Boxing Championship. So this is Jasmine Lambodia. Next, who won the Zurich Diamond League final in the javelin throw? So this is Julian Weber. Now, which team won the inaugural Women's Hockey India League? This is Odisha Warriors, and this is a very, very important question. Okay. Next is who became the first Australian since 2010 to lead the F1 Drivers Championship in 2025? So this is Oscar Piastri. Neeraj Chopra was named the best javelin thrower of the year by which magazine? So the Track and Fields News. This is again important. ये क्वेश्चन आपको पूछ सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट है इंडिया won the inaugural खो-खो वर्ल्ड कप in which category? So both men's and women's category में खो-खो वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया ने जीता है and this is a very important question. Next है who won the men's elite race at the Mumbai Marathon 2025? So Barhane Tesfaye has won it. Who won the women's elite race at the Mumbai Marathon 2025? So this is Kenya's Joyce Chepkemoi. Which Indian boxer won silver at the World Boxing Cup in Brazil? So this is Avinash Jamwal. Next है where was the 2025 World Boxing Championship held? So it was held in Liverpool. Again this is an important question, पूछ सकते हैं आपसे. Which team qualified for the 2026 FIH Men's World Cup by winning the Asia Cup? So the team that has won this one is India. Now who is the captain of the Indian men's hockey team mentioned in the Asia Cup victory? This is Harmanpreet Singh. Now which Indian archers won the men's compound team gold at the women's archery championship? This is again a very very important question. Correct answer है हमारा the team comprising Aman Saini, Rishabh Yadav, Prathamesh B. Fuje. Okay, all of these. Now some of the questions, around 30 questions देखते हैं जिसमें कि अलग अलग awards, appointments, sponsorship that is related to sports. Next is who was named the ICC Men's T20I Cricketer of the Year. This is Arshdeep Singh. Who has been named as the ICC Women's Player of the Year? Rachel Hoi Flint Trophy for 2024. This is again important. Correct answer is Millie Kerr. Okay. अब ये इंपॉर्टेंट इसलिए है क्योंकि द अदर नेम ऑफ द ट्रॉफी दैट इज द रेचल हे होई फ्लिंट ट्रॉफी, ये आपको याद रखना है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज हु वाज अपॉइंटेड एज द हेड कोच ऑफ द इंडियन सीनियर मेंस फुटबॉल टीम? दिस इज खालिद जमील. Next is who was elected as the new president of the Athletics Federation of India? This is Bahadur Singh Sagu, and this is again an important question. Next is who was named the chairperson of the AFI Athletes Commission? So this is Anju Bobby George. Athletic Federation of India Commission की chairperson बनी है अंजू बॉबी जॉर्ज. Who was appointed as the ambassador for the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? This is Shikhar Dhawan. We have seen this. Who was named the captain of the Cricket Australia Men's Test Team of the Year 2025? This is क्रिकेट ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने जसप्रीत बुमराह को अनाउंस किया था एज अ कैप्टन ऑफ मेंस टेस्ट टीम ऑफ द ईयर 2024. Who became the global ambassador for the esports world cup? This is Cristiano Ronaldo. Jersey sponsors for Team India is Apollo Tyres. These are all revision sort of questions. Who was named as the best javelin thrower of the year 2024 by Track and Field News? This is Neeraj Chopra. Next है हमारा who received the Princess of the Asterius Awards for Sports? This is Serena Williams. These are all very very important questions. BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year 2024 is Manu Bhaker. Next is which footballer received the US Presidential Medal of Freedom? This is again very very important. This is Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi को ये मिला है. Next is which Indian cricketer launched the autobiography The One, Cricket My Life and More? This is Shikhar Dhawan. ये मैंने बताया था आपको, important question है. Who was awarded a knighthood? James Henderson has been awarded a knighthood. Who became the first Indian woman to hold the GM title in the chess after winning the World Cup? This is Divya Deshmukh. Next is who became the first T20 batter in the September 2025. So this is Abhishek Sharma has become the first in the T20 rankings. Who became the first woman to win a medal at the World Weightlifting Championship since 2022? This is Mirabai Chanu. Next, who became the first Indian boxer to win gold at the World Boxing Cup? This is Hitesh Kulia. Next है which club was named the world's most valuable by Forbes in 2025? This is Real Madrid. Next is Kevin Durant became the 8th player in NBA history to score how many points? 30,000 points. Next, which stadium will host the final of the FIFA World Cup 2025? This is the MetLife Stadium of USA. Who scored the highest runs in the Women's Premier League Finals 2025? This is Harmanpreet Kaur. Which Indian Grandmaster won the Chennai Open? In the context of the in the context which was conducted in Malaysia. So this has been won by Indian Paneerselvam. Which became the first Indian to sign a deal with Sydney Thunders? This was Ravichandran Ashwin. Who won the player of the tournament in the ICC Under-19 Women's T20 World Cup 2025? This is Gongadi Trisha. Next है which country's team did India defeat to win the inaugural Kho World Cup? So Nepal. India defeated Nepal. Next is which Formula 1 driver won the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix 2025? So this was Oscar Piastri. Who became the fastest Indian woman to score a one-day century? This is Smriti Mandana. And which city is set to host the 2027 ISSF World Cup? So this is New Delhi. So with this we are done with the 150 questions of the sports. This was a short session. इस सेशन को मैंने ज़्यादा यहाँ पे एक्सटेंड नहीं किया है, बहुत प्रिसाइज रखा है इस सेशन को, सो दैट यू गेट द मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट इन अ शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑफ टाइम. सो वीडियो अगर यहाँ तक देखी आपने तो डू कंसिडर टू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो कमेंट एंड टेल मी कि आपको वीडियोस कैसी लगी. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड कीप स्टडिंग.